Hello my friends, today I'm going to make another mixed media journaling page. So I'm gessoing my page first, and now as you can see that I have put some yellow and some white and some red paint. So I'm going to make some orangish, some peachy colors for my background, and now I'm spraying of water just to blend my colors properly. And if you add water in the acrylic colors, it blends. And now I'm adding a little bit black color at the edges just to give a little bit dark value or distress kind of effect in the pages. Wow, very nice. I'm so happy to see my background now. Okay, this is my title. My title is Love. Is this? I forgot. Yes, Love Makes Family. Yeah, I'm going to just add some yellow, some red, just to match, just to give some link with my background. As I told you can add water in the acrylic paints. It gives a kind of watercolor effect. Just to add some peachy color, and then okay, now while my title is still wet, it's dry, I can do some stenciling on my background, some little yellow and little red and little bit black. Let me see how it looks. Let me see more. Okay, the black is so sharp. I need to add some white in it just to soften my black. Yes, very nice. Yes, I like it. Very good. Yeah, good. Okay, not too much, just a little bit more. Yeah, now I'm so happy to see my background. Yeah, it's totally balanced now. Yes, I feel like I need to add a little bit more white just to highlight my title here. Little bit more bright. Yes, it's better now. Yes, you can feel wherever you can feel you want to add white and black, very important colors. We can all add them. Now I'm going to use decoupage. If you have any other type of glue, you can use that and stick it, glue it properly, nicely, especially the edges. And these are my butterflies, and you know that butterflies are always look very nice and beautiful. As you can see that I couldn't show you how I prepared my butterflies. Actually, I print them from my printer and then cut them into the circles, and then I just add some black archival ink to distress the edges of these circles. So, and the background of the butterflies it was already a little bit yellowish brownish, so I didn't have to add some color for the background of the butterfly. Now I'm using the charcoal pencil just to give a little bit dark, and I will blend. Yeah, now I'm blending with my blending stump. It will soften the black edges and give very nice and kind of 3D effect. Yes, very nice. I love it. Yes, since I'm still not satisfied with my page, I feel like still I can do something. Yes, I can just darken the title, because when I was painting the background, I painted a little bit over it, over the letters. So I'm darkening the letters. Yes, now I'm kind of happy. I feel like I should add some a tree, half of the tree on the side. Yes, and I feel like I can add some branches holding this title. You can also do some doodling around it, like I'm doing, like some doodling, some branches, and I always adore branches and trees in my drawings. So I'm not going to use solid color for that. That would be too much heavy for this. Just some outlining, that's it. Yes, this is my last touches to my page, and I think I'm done with it, and it's so pretty. I really like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Yes.
Yes, and don't forget to give a big fat like.
Yes, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.